Hello and welcome to our short tutorial video on how to access our Smart Reordering System application. Let's see how easy it works. Once you've purchased our system, you will receive an invitation email with a link guiding you to our login page. Since it's a cloud application, there's no additional software required. All you need is a browser installed on your device and active internet connection. How easy it works, I'll show you now. The login page will redirect you to the Microsoft Active Directory login window. Just enter your company credentials to access the application. There's no additional user account needed. Once you have entered the application, you will have full access to all the features of the system. You are able to set up and configure the devices. You get an overview of the current inventory level and set up your notifications. We will show you these features in detail in our other tutorial videos. Feel free to have a look at them too. That's it! All you need to know about how to enter the cloud application of our Smart Reordering System.